Hi, welcome. I'm Dr. Ann Liu Ferrara, a principal data scientist working in BD Global Clinical Medical Affairs. Today, I'll tell you about the solution I developed in close collaboration with AWS solution architect Brian McCallum. The solution enables us to monitor the details of over 25,000 medical device reports per month and reduces the time to insight from hours to minutes. Also incorporates AI machine learning capabilities into the analysis. Overall, the solution serves as an example of how we seek to modernize the role of medical affairs in our organization. I'll tell you about the limitations of the technology we had before, explain how modernizing on AWS enables us to respond quickly to patients' needs. I will present the challenges we faced and the key benefits that the solution brings. Last, I will show you the resources BD is sharing related to the solution and hope you'll find it useful to your organization. BD was founded in 1897, and over this 125 years, innovation has been a key component in improving patients' health and safety. Our mission is advancing the world of health. As one of the largest medical technology companies in the world, BD manufactures over 40 billion devices a year and serves over more than 190 countries. About 90% of all U.S. hospital inpatients use a BD product. Today, BD analyzes real-world data and evidence from billions of devices operating in diverse settings. To innovate at this scale requires a capability to scale globally and understand how the device performs in the real world. Medical and clinical affairs connects all business units and functions and understands the role of evidence generation. We work closely with quality, R&D, marketing, and product platforms, supporting stakeholders from the CEO to scientists and engineers. As a part of our work with quality and complaint management, we are involved in monitoring medical safety, supporting quality assurance of our products, as well as trending our products relative to our competitors. This is done using the FDA MAUDE database. MAUDE stands for Manufacturer and User Facility Device Experience Database. It houses medical reports of adverse events submitted to the FDA by mandatory reporters, manufacturer, importers, and device user facilities, also voluntary reporters, healthcare professionals, patients, and consumers. This report contains patients' first-hand information and feedback. The quicker the business obtains this type of information and act on product enhancement and training, the better we can improve patients' health. Monitoring MAUDE closely enables the risk management team to implement intervention in a timely manner. openFDA is the initiative giving developers and researchers easy access to public data, such as MAUDE. It was launched in 2014 by the FDA and designed to allow real-time access through systematic data downloads. There are challenges to analyzing MAUDE data, despite the open data framework. MAUDE holds 12 million unique incident reports with over 100 gigabytes of data and growing by the day. MAUDE also includes free-form narratives that describe the details of the incidents. This necessitates the question, how do we analyze this information? Data file formats have changed over the past 30 years time period, adding complexity to the merging. especially given that each update of the MAUDE data requires hundreds of files to be uploaded and processed. Within BD, different business functions produce their own reports separately through manual processes. Reports from external vendors are updated quarterly, and the business is charged hundreds of thousands of dollars in consulting fees. Forecasting and anomaly detection features are not currently available in those reports. And the different business units work independently of one another, creating large inefficiency. Reports derived from internal and external sources do not enable up-to-date analytics and real-time decision-making. When patient safety is an outcome, the need for real-time analytics is essential. Current reports contain only 2 years' worth of data due to lack of computing power and tools to handle big data. Yet, 2 years of historical data are not sufficient to build accurate predictive models or tease out the historical trends. Reports from external vendors, lack of transparency, and any customization or augmentation inevitably incurs additional charges. Each business unit has its own data source and approach to generate reports. These limitations can lead to different results, as the logic behind the report is not shared. Overall, these factors prevent the decision maker from quickly gathering information across functions and creating a strategy responding to patients' needs. To address these challenges, we developed a centralized interactive dashboard that is synced to the openFDA AWS S3 repository. Multiple metrics are visually presented, each focused on adverse events reported above the BD products, as well as providing direct comparisons to similar products manufactured by competitors. All charts can be filtered and are fully customizable. The time series machine learning model can be focused on specific time intervals of interest, with the forecasting stratified by model and other product categories. Predictive models can be continuously trained and easily integrated into dashboard to achieve high accuracy. Free text medical information can be extracted and categorized and subsequently used in the models as feature variables. The solution presented today allows reports from a centralized validated database to be made available to different business units, whilst enabling them to customize the reports to address specific product-oriented questions. The time assessing and reporting on this real-world data was decreased from several hours down to less than 20 minutes. Moreover, data coverage has been extended to up to 30 years from the standard 2 years, which might provide further insights. AI machine learning algorithms are integrated into dashboards, enabling real-time forecasting, available at the fingertips of a wide variety of medical device stakeholders. As the tool is built and owned by BD, the logic underpinning the tool is transparent and extensible. Moreover, it leverages the same ontology, meaning the tool is transferable between diverse business units. Underneath this dashboard, there is a full data science pipeline exploiting the most recent tools available on AWS. Each day, once the openFDA MAUDE data is updated, the scheduled AWS workflow starts downloading files. AWS Lambda is used to copy and unzip hundreds of files through parallel processing, AWS Glue extracts, transforms, and loads data into binary files for fast data ingestion. AWS Athena is a big data query platform, subsetting data and applying machine learning transformations, with AWS Comprehend used for simplifying the datasets. At the end of the pipeline, AWS QuickSight handles the big data dashboard. It offers many types of visualization methods and advanced analytics, including forecasting, anomaly detection, comparison, and ranking. With the insights drawn out of the tools such as AWS Forecast, Comprehend Medical, and AWS AI machine learning applications, advanced analytics capabilities are easily applied to MAUDE data monitoring. Risk management is no longer a concept, but put into action. An email will be sent out automatically to monitor team when there are events triggered for anomalies. Trends are analyzed on a weekly, monthly, and yearly basis to provide comparisons. Incident reports can be classified and reclassified through extracted medical contests to verify data accuracy. For example, an event type of malfunction is not an injury, and vice versa. The predictive analytics capabilities equip our associates to make informed decisions, take action for prevention of risk. The benefits the solution brings compared to the former reporting system are expected to strongly impact the business. External consultant services are no longer needed. The BD solution is superior in terms of cost effectiveness, time to delivery, customizability, and features. The dashboard is customizable to different teams' needs, and the same data source is shared. The new reports can hold 30 years of MAUDE data instead of traditionally used 2 years. This is a significant element to build robust and informative time series models. The business user can pull ad hoc reports using the dashboard or make changes on the reports, further reducing the need to outsource to external vendors. Predictive analytics are features previously unavailable are now baked into the report, with new features on the horizon. In line with the vision of modern medical affairs group, the impact here is noticeable. Productivity can be lifted, and the associates get more job satisfaction as they are now freed up from manual tasks and have time to focus on innovation. All activities involving improving patient safety and outcomes can be conducted with expediency, beating historical schedules. With this tool, the global medical safety team could potentially share the same insights as the post-market quality and surveillance teams through using the same analytical framework, ensuring cross-functional consistency. The workflow and the tools can be readily applied to process other big healthcare datasets, and the time to recycle the pipeline approach for application to other datasets is minimized. BD is committed to sharing its experience in a pre-competitive space to further improve the outcomes of patients. The solution we have developed is simple. Any team can implement this with little to no cost via the technologies and solutions offered by AWS. We are writing a white paper and the AWS blog post to share the method and tools, and these are forthcoming. In addition, code and other technical aspects of the implementation will be published to online repositories in due course. Thank you so much for your time.